Howdy Doody, mother fishers. Welcome back to the Real Ninja Galley. Today we are going to do some Howdy Doody salmon recipe along with a pasta salad. And these things go very good together, and they're easy to make, and they're fun, and they're delicious, and you'll love it. Your kids will love it. Your wife will love it. Your dad will love it. Your grandparents will love it. Everybody will love it. So let me show you how. First, I'm going to boil some wah-wah with some sea salt and olive oil. I'm going to use this bow tie. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. Bow tie pasta. I have some vegetable, some bell pepper. I like to use a red onion, but you can use any onion you like, and I like to use some fresh garlic in that one. I'm going to put some Walmart special green olives and some salami with that one. And I have some zesty Italian. What do you know? It's zesty. Well, you know that's right. That's right. Vegetable. Vegetable. What should I make tonight? Maybe some pasta. Ooh. Salami. Ooh, vegetable, olive and garlic. Well, we made yee pasta salad, and now we're gonna make some Howdy Doody salmon. Salmon. Say it right. Salmon. I cut these Y bones out. Get them out of there. Bye bye. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. Yep. And go like this. So I'm going to dress these up the same way. And then I am going to barbecue 2 pieces and bake 1 piece. Same recipe, but I'm going to show you that you can bake it or barbecue it. It's up to you. Either way is very good. I like it either way. But with the barbecue, you get a little bit more of that smoky flavor on there. So that's something I'm kind of into, but you don't have to. It's very good out of the oven too. So you put it in the oven or the barbecue. So let me go. Let's get this going. We got some butter right here. Oh shit. I got a Y bone right here. I'm gonna trim this part too. Okay, so I got 3 pieces of salmon here. The first thing I'm going to do is put some lemon juice. Just, you can use fresh lemon or this, whatever, it don't matter. Just put some on there. Rub it on there. Rub it around. Let that sit for a moment while you wash your hands. Get you some sea salt. Get you some sea salt. Okay. Lemon juice, sea salt. After that, we take some we got some melted butter here. Okay. Butter makes it better. Okay. You don't have to do this, but you can. Because I do. This is 50-50 apple cider, Martinelli's apple cider and apple cider vinegar. I like to just give it a little spritz, a little tang on there, you know. Go like that. Then put a little garlic powder. Yep, like that. And then put a little onion powder on it. A little onion powder. Onion powder. There you go. Just like that. And then you can use regular mustard or spicy brown mustard. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I kind of think I like the regular mustard better. But either way, this is good. Spicy brown mustard. And then you just rub it around, pat it, smack it up, flip it, and rub it down. Yes, sir. Just like that. The butter gets a little stuck to it, but that's okay. Like this. Like that. Put a little on here like this. Just smash it on there a little bit. Yep. Like this. Kind of sticks to your fingers. The butter, the cold butter kind of wants to come off a little bit, but it's okay. You just get it on there. Get it on there like that. That's pretty good. That'll work. Yep. And then almost done here. Then put a little black pepper. My pepper grinder's empty right now, so I'm gonna use this black pepper. Just put a little black pepper. Black pepper, please. You know, a little bit like that, and then take some dill. Put a little dill on it. That's the dillio. And go like this and go like that. And that's it. Just like that. Now I'll fire up the oven and the barbecue, and then we'll cook one piece in the oven and 2 pieces on the barbecue. And then we'll have some Howdy Doody salmon with some yee bow ties pasta salad. How does that sound? Does that sound good? If Ninja can cook, you can cook too. Alright everybody, it's time. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is Howdy Doody baked salmon. And this is Howdy Doody barbecue salmon. Obviously, of course, with the same seasoning approach, but they look a little different in color. This one was smoked with applewood and lump coal on the grill. And this one was in the oven at about 350. I started out like 375, but then I went to 350 like halfway through. You know, but that's Howdy Doody right there. That's your Howdy Doody salmon. Eat that. Eat that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fork it. I'm gonna try to fork it with one hand. Fork in one hand, camera in the other. Let's see how it goes. The lighting's not the greatest in here either too, but let's give it a little poke. Boop boop. Alright, let's see what this is like. That looks pretty nice. It's steamy hot. What's pink, moist, delicious and warm. But I mean, salmon. It's salmon, you sickos, you freaking perverts. Oh yeah, that's good. That's the baked one. Now let's try the barbecue one with the smoked applewood on it. Bitch. Alright, let's give this a poke. You know we like to poke that sweet, moist, pink, hot, delicious. Look at that. The lighting sucks in here. But this is the barbecue. This is the barbecue salmon. Howdy Doody salmon. Howdy Doody. And it's hot. Oh my god. The baked is good, but dadgum. I gotta go back. That right there. That right there. That right there. Oh my god. That's like a beautiful brunette angel just came in your mouth. I can die right now. I wouldn't even care. It'd be fine with me. It's so good. Oh my god. You gotta try this. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe my luck. I caught this out on the Real Freaks on Sunday. Fresh caught ocean salmon with the Real Freaks. Captain Brian Cassette, I'm not sure how to say it. And deckhand Josh Hogg out there. I got my nephew, Double Aaron, and Kevin, mother fishing Kevin. Oh my god, dude. These fish are so good. I can't believe it's been 2 years. I had to wait 2 years for this. Dude, you don't even know. You don't even know. It's so good. Oh my god. Dude, look at that. Oh my god. That's so good. Let's get some yee. Let's get some yee pasta salad to go with it. We'll make a little plate right now. The yee pasta salad is looking very nice. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for a few hours now with the Italian dressing on there. And that thing is looking good. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We got the Howdy Doody salmon off the barbecue. And we got the yee bow tie pasta salad. So good. Just eat that. So good. Oh my god. Eat it. Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Oh my god. Dude. Dude. Oh my god. Can I get some in the comments? Give me a Put some down there. Somebody's mama's about to get slapped. That's all I got to say. This thing is so good. Ooh, look at that. Perfect texture. Oh god, just good. I hope that everybody watching this video has been blessed with some fresh ocean salmon. But if you have not, maybe, just maybe, I would say it's not highly likely, but maybe you can get a good piece of salmon at the store and do this recipe. You can thank me later, especially off the barbecue. Like, it was really good out the oven. But if you put them side by side, you can't beat the barbecue. You can't beat the applewood smoke on there. That thing is so good. I swear to God, man. Anyways, thank you for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Give me some howdy doodies. Give me some yee yees. Give me some Give me some mm-ms in the comments. Like this video. Like, oh, please try this video. Try this recipe. And get back to me and let me know if you like it. Because I swear, I think you really will. I think you really will like it. Look at this. I'm going to just go with my fingers. With my fingers in my mouth. I swear that is so good. I could eat that all year long. I don't need to wait for a salmon season. I want to go salmon fishing every day. So good. We'll go back to the oven for a second. This is the oven baked one. It's really good, but it's not. It's very good. Oh my god, it's really good. Wow. You can definitely get away with this. There's nothing wrong with this at all. That is freaking delicious. I'll keep eating it. It was really good. But the barbecue with the apple wood in there. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Oh my god. You can't beat that. You just can't. Look at that. The yee salad. The yee bow tie pasta salad. You see the bow ties? Right? With the salami and everything in there. And you got this salmon right here. That salmon is sweet, moist, pink, warm, delicious. You know what that reminds me of, right? Y'all are naughty. Y'all are naughty. You're bad. Y'all are naughty. Your mind's always in the gutter. Everything's always pertaining to sex with you. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate it. Please give me some likes and some howdy doodies and all that good kind of stuff, because you know, it's a lot of dang work. I wish I get a little gratitude, or at least say what's up, you know. Hey, howdy doody. Howdy doody. Oh, and I didn't even do the sprinkle dinkle because I got some feta cheese. I'm not gonna show you. I got some feta cheese. You could put a little bit of feta cheese on top of that pasta salad, or a little bit of grated Parmesan on top of the yee pasta salad. You're gonna love it. I swear to God. Especially this summer. I hope y'all got some fish in your freezer. I hope y'all are able to enjoy this, and thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Much love from the Real Ninja facility. Y'all stay fishy. Thank you.